Creating a place online where people can come together to learn and share ideas is a fantastic way to make a difference. Skool is like a special online home for this purpose. It helps teachers and creators just like you to share what they know, bring people together, and even make some money from it. This video will walk you through making your own community on Skool. And by the way, if you haven't yet signed up to Skool, make sure to use my affiliate link down in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra, and it helps me support the channel. And with that in mind, let's get started. Skool is a special place on the internet that's really different from others. It's made for people who want to teach and share things without dealing with annoying problems. You know, like when websites are hard to use, look boring, and nobody talks much, Skool makes everything easier and more fun. It's got spaces for talking, places to put your courses, and ways to make games. Teachers can set up their lessons, plan meetings, and handle money stuff without any trouble. Plus, you can try it for free to see if you like it. This means you can start without paying anything and check out all the cool things Skool can do. Now, when you decide to give Skool a try, signing up is super easy. You just put in your details and add a picture of yourself. This makes people trust you more. It's also a good idea to look around at other groups on Skool. This way, you can pick a name for your group that's really unique. Once you've got your group set up, you think about how much it'll cost after the free trial. Skool is pretty cool because it doesn't take a lot of money from what you earn. You just pay a monthly fee of $99 and you get to keep most of your money. You can even stop the trial anytime if you feel like Skool is not the right option for you. So, choosing a name for your group is a fun part. It makes your group official and ready for people to join. The idea is that with Skool, you are in charge. After the free days to try it, you pay each month to keep your group going. This deal is often better than other places because those places might take more money from what you make. And when you're naming your group, you get to decide what it's all about. Then you'll just need to enter how you'll pay for Skool if you keep using it after the trial. But remember, you can always change your mind during the trial. This flexibility makes starting your own group on Skool a pretty exciting adventure. Now, before you let people in, it's super important to make your online space look just right. You want it to feel welcoming and complete from the get-go. The way your community looks, the cover photo, and the little icon sets the vibe. Not everyone knows how to make cool graphics, but that's okay. There are tools online such as Canva that can help make awesome images without needing to be an artist. It's also key to tell people what your community is all about. You decide if everyone can see what's posted or just members. These choices really make your community feel like it's yours. It's all about giving it personality and making it a place where people want to hang out. Remember, the look and feel of your community is the first impression, so it's gotta be good. Alright, let's now talk about what you will share in your community. Skool lets you create classes and write posts. When you're making a class, you give it a name, describe what it's about, and pick a picture for it. You can organize your class into parts or chapters, which is great for all kinds of lessons. But here's something important. If you want to use videos, they have to be uploaded somewhere else. You can use websites like YouTube or Vimeo or Loom. This way, you can have all sorts of lessons from ones anyone can watch to special ones just for members. It's all about offering cool stuff that keeps people coming back for more. Talking with your members is a big deal too. Skool lets you sort conversations into different topics. Starting off with a general chat is a smart move, but adding special topics can really spice things up. It makes everything more organized and fun. You can also stick some posts at the top. This is great for welcoming messages or really important news. It makes sure everyone sees them first thing. Keeping everyone talking and sharing is what makes your community lively. It's all about building a space where everyone feels like they're part of something special. So think about what you post. It's the heartbeat of your community. Also, think of the About page like the welcome mat to your online community house. It's the first thing people see, so you gotta make it good. Show off what your community is all about with cool videos or happy messages from members. Being clear about what everyone will get from joining, like new skills or friends, makes people want to sign up. If you decide to start charging for your community, you can. Skool lets you change how much you charge whenever you want, and there are special treats for people who join early. Using Stripe means everyone's money is safe, and paying for the community goes smoothly. Skool is open about any fees, so there are no surprises when it comes to the money stuff. Now, for the exciting part, getting people to join your community. Share your community everywhere, on social media, email, or just tell people directly. Skool has some handy tools that help say people hello to new members in a nice way. This is your chance to make your community lively and full of interesting conversations. In summary, Skool provides an unparalleled platform for building online communities centered around learning and engagement. By following these steps, from setting up and customizing the community to inviting members and managing content, creators and educators can forge vibrant spaces for shared growth and interaction. The journey to creating a thriving Skool community is filled with possibilities ready to be explored and realized. And of course, don't forget that if you haven't yet signed up to Skool, you can use my affiliate link by clicking the first link down in the description of this video. It won't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.